Hey everybody, Brad Cohen, Harmon Realty, back again with another real estate advice video. As I am filming this video, it is an absolutely gorgeous fall day outside here in Virginia. Leaves are starting to change, temperatures are starting to drop, and so we're getting into that change of season timeline. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about 4 tips that you can do to improve your home's energy efficiency and keep your bills down. First, make the switch to LEDs. If you're still using incandescent bulbs, you are burning energy like it's your job and you're behind the curve. Make the switch to LEDs and you will bring your energy bills down. If you switch 5 of your most used bulbs in your house, it's estimated that you can bring your energy costs down $75 a year just by changing the bulbs out. More than worth the investment. Second, seal the leaks in your house. Do some extra caulking around your windows. Make sure that you install draft guards in your doors, caulk around any chimneys and stuff like that to make sure that you're keeping all of that air in. Especially as we're getting into these colder winter months, you want to make sure that you're keeping that heat in as best as you possibly can. Third, heat and cool efficiently. Especially as we're getting into the winter months, it's really important that we're efficient with those energy bills. For those of you who have electric heat pumps, you could very quickly see your energy bill go up pretty substantially when it starts getting cold. So we want to make sure that we're as efficient as possible. There's really no reason to be keeping our thermostats on the same temperature that we would keep them when we're in the house if we're out at work or traveling or something like that. So installing a programmable thermostat is a great simple way to increase your energy efficiency. If you're into the smart home features, you might try a Nest thermostat or some of the other smart options that you can control from your smartphone. So when you're on your way back to the house, you can have it nice and warm when you get home. And when you're out, you can have it a little bit less, so you're saving energy and keeping those bills low. Fourth, maintain your HVAC system. Right as it starts to get cold and you're going to start running the heat is the best time of year to get your annual tune-up or biannual tune-up if you're more efficient from an HVAC technician. Call one of the local companies to come out, make sure that all of your levels are appropriate, that the system is cleaned up and performing at its maximum levels. And I cannot harp on it enough, please change your air filters. When your filter's dirty, it's going to drive your bill up. The system has to work harder to heat or cool your home depending on the time of year. So keep those filters clean and make sure you get your winter tune-up before it gets too cold. In conclusion, these 4 tips will help you increase your energy efficiency in your home. I also got to give a shout out to the Gaines Group Architects. If you need an energy audit on your home and would like to really improve your efficiency, reach out to Charles Hendricks. He's a great personal friend of mine, and thank you, Charles, for supporting Team Brad. I highly encourage you all to reach out to him to get a free energy audit so you can really increase the energy efficiency in your home and bring those annual bills down pretty substantially. If you have questions about other things that you can do to increase the energy efficiency in your home or to bring those bills down, or just anything real estate oriented, as always, I'm your resource, Brad Cohen, Harmon Realty. Thanks so much for watching my video, and we will see you for the next one.